challenge?
No, you don't mind the challenge. I mean,
I just don't want to screw it up along the way.
well, you know, having this unit here was a stroke of luck. And, you know, it came up for such a good price. But I was glad I bought the simple barreled action because I can do whatever I want, and I can, you know, do all the stuff to that I wouldn't do to this one, right?
Yep.
So that's beautiful. We're going to shoot that baby off that bipod. We got to try and foresight it here. I don't even know if the diopter is close or centered. Alright, scope adjustments are done. It's time to shoot.
It's nice to be able to see my pattern.
Oh yeah, you get a good...
I've got all four of them. It looks like I'm about an inch off horizontally.
Right,
But
well,
vertically I've got a string going, but horizontally I actually, for the 9X sight that I have, and
You're on the right hand.
I don't feel all that bad about that, huh?
I'll have a look at it when I get down there. So this is the Berger 190 grain VLD Target on 52 grains of IMR 4350. And I actually load this up on privy brass because it won't match the other. So it's a way. Okay, buddy. I got a nice little dot to shoot at. Is that the right one? Oh, I almost got it here. That's my dot. Bang! Uh-oh, my extractor. So used to hand pulling. Is it on the paper?
You are right on the edge of the 8 ring at about 1 o'clock.
Alright, so I'm on paper. I'm just going to shoot for group. I have my glasses on. I'll shoot the next 5.
Okay, you're way out at the 4 ring at about 4 o'clock.
Alright.
Did you make an adjustment?
I did not. Ow. I need a slider.
Okay, you're an inch off that second shot.
So that could just be in cold bore. The first shot's cold bore. Oiled up. You got residue to burn out.
That's just a fouler. That one's about 4 inches to the left, straight across from your second shot.
Okay.
Still about 4 o'clock, but about 4 inches over. Oh, where is it?
Did I go the wrong way? I'm going the wrong way. I was going to put my glasses on.
Okay, I saw that one. You are in the 6 ring at about 6 o'clock. You are just about directly below the center dot. But you're low.
Yeah, I went the wrong way. On my height, not my left to right.
Yeah.
Like, I don't get misfires. Oh, wow. All right. Shoot again.
Got a nice trigger.
Yeah, that's that floating M27 trigger. So I need to bring it back. I need to bring it left.
You overcompensate a little bit?
And down. Yeah.